Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Minecraft failed to login invalid session. All right, let's begin. First, open the start menu and search for Task Manager. Open it, search and find Minecraft Launcher, click on it and select End Task. If the error remains, sign out of your account in the launcher and sign back in. If it still does not work, open the start menu and search for Control Panel. Set View By to large icons, then open Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings, right-click your Wi-Fi connection, select Properties, then open Internet Protocol version 4. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Press OK. Finally, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press enter. Restart your computer. So that's basically how you can fix Minecraft failed to log in invalid session. And that's it for this video. Thanks.